Welcome back to How to Master. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily download others' YouTube videos directly to your phone gallery. So let's get started. First open the App Store and search for YouTube. Make sure to update your YouTube app to the latest version. Once updated, open the YouTube app on your phone. Click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the setting icon in the upper right corner. Scroll down and click on download. Then click on download quality. Choose ask each time to manually select the quality each time you downloaded a video. Now go back to the home screen. Click on home screen and search for the video you want to download. Click on the video you want. Now tap the download button. Select higher quality and click on download. Your video will start downloading immediately. Once downloaded, go back to your home screen. Click on your profile icon. Go to downloads. Now turn off your mobile data and enjoy watching your video. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded a YouTube video and can now watch it offline anytime, anywhere.